teacher here at Hotspot Yoga in St. Augustine Beach, Florida. Today, I'm going to go over Pranayama, deep breathing. It's a breathing exercise in the Hot 26 and 2 yoga practice. I'll go over some common misalignments, some modifications, and just breaking down the breathing exercise to help answer some common questions and to help you further your practice. We start our practice off, feet together, toes, heels touching. Contracting through the thighs, tuck your tailbone, engage through the core of the belly. Standing tall, growing tall through the head, relax your shoulders and take a breath. Just coming to this equal standing for every posture during your practice. Take a deep inhale through the nose and a long exhale through the nose. For Pranayama deep breathing, we interlock the fingers to the webbing, all 10-finger grip, placing the knuckles directly underneath your chin. Maintaining that contact, looking to sink forward. Then we begin. We inhale through the nose, keeping the mouth closed. Inhale through the nose, lifting your elbows up. Your eyes stay forward, the spine is straight, and you expand the rib cage. Exhale. Keeping the knuckles underneath your chin, you lift your chin up, your chest up, spine stays straight. At the same time, your elbows rock forward. Empty your lungs, your elbows again. Inhale, your arms begin, elbows begin to open out and up. At the same time, simultaneously, your head comes down, filling your lungs. Common in the breathing exercise, if you have neck issues, you don't have to look back. You can look up. So you can do the breathing exercise with neck issues, neck pain, just by moving your arms slightly. You can either just inhale and exhale, staying in this position, keeping the thighs still contracted, pushing the heels into the ground. If there's some shoulder tightness here, you don't have to lift your elbows all the way up. Inhale, breathing, maybe you're able just to lift your elbows up slightly, and that's okay. You move to where your body is able to move at that moment. Exhale, you bring your elbows forward. Maybe your elbows are further down, elbows come to touch. So you're moving in your range of motion, but still trying to keep the whole body solid, legs contracted. Side view of that. Feet together, tailbone down, belly in. Interlock your fingers, knuckles underneath your chin. Inhale, breathing, elbows lift out and up. Contracting the thighs, pushing your heels down, belly in, and you expand the rib cage, expanding the lung capacity. Exhale, you pull in the belly as you push the air out from the bottom of your lungs. Empty the lungs, elbows together to touch. So it's this motion with your head and your arms moving together as you inhale. Exhale. When we do that for a number of times in the breathing exercise, we're warming up the body, getting the body prepared for class, stimulating the nervous system, filling the lungs, expanding your lung capacity, warming up the body, warming up the shoulders, warming up the spine. The side view of that for some modifications. Again, neck issues, you don't have to let the head go back. You can just focus on lifting your extension up with your eyes. You can still just breathe. Limited shoulders. You can just move your elbows out slightly. So you move your body how you're able to in that moment. So listening to the body, never wanting anything. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, any comments on that breathing exercise, please let me know. My name is Miranda. Thanks for watching.